Hello reception, I hope you've been enjoying watching the 10 Bears in the Bed video and song. Now today, if you want, you can practice writing down the calculation. We're going to do some more number pairs to 10 like we did yesterday, but you could practice writing it down. So if you want to go and get yourself something to write on and something to write with, you can. Pause the video while you do that. Okay, we should have everybody, so I'll just share my screen. And we'll go to where we need to be, which is 10 in the bed with the 10 bears. And there are 10 bears, aren't there? Shall we count them together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do you remember in our song, one of the bears, the littlest bear, keeps saying roll over, and they all roll over, don't they? And one falls out. So in our first one, when they've rolled over, 9 bears are in the bed. How many bears are on the floor? Well done, 1 bear is on the floor. How many bears altogether? That's right, there are 10. So we can write that as 9 plus 1 makes 10. 9 bears are in the bed, 1 bear is on the floor, 10 bears altogether. Okay, are you ready? We're going to go on to the next one. This time there are 8 bears in the bed. How many bears are on the floor? Well done, there are 2 on the floor. How many bears altogether? Good job, there are still 10 bears altogether. Can you write down what that would look like? Pause the video while you do. Okay, good job, let's have a look. And we can write it as 8 plus 2 makes 10. 8 bears are in the bed, 2 bears are on the floor, 10 bears altogether. Good job, well done. Okay, you ready for the next one? This time there are 7 bears in the bed. How many bears are on the floor? Well done, there are 3 bears on the floor. They look a bit sad, don't they? How many bears altogether? Good job, there are still 10 bears. Well done. How will we write it down this time? Have a look and see. 7 bears in the bed, 3 bears on the floor, 10 bears altogether. 7 plus 3 makes 10. Good job. Ready for the next one? This time there are 6 bears in the bed. How many bears are on the floor? Well done, there are 4 bears on the floor. How many bears altogether? Still 10 bears, well done. Can you write down what the calculation would look like this time? Well done. This time we've got 6 bears in the bed, 4 bears on the floor, 10 bears altogether. 6 plus 4 makes 10. Okay, you ready? How many bears are going to be in the bed on the next slide? If they all roll over and one falls out, how many will be in the bed? Shall we see if you're right? 5 bears are in the bed. Well done. And how many bears are on the floor? 5 bears are on the floor. That's good. How many bears altogether? You're right, there are 10 bears altogether. Can you write down the calculation to show 5 bears in the bed, 5 bears on the floor, and 10 bears altogether? Good job, because it looks like 5 plus 5 makes 10. Well done. How many bears will be in the bed on the next one? Well done. 4 bears in the bed. And how many bears are on the floor? Good job. 6 bears on the floor. How many bears altogether? Still 10. Can you write down what that will look like? 4 bears in the bed, 6 bears on the floor, 10 bears altogether. Good job. 4 plus 6 makes 10. You're getting very good at these. I bet you can do the next one by yourselves. What's it going to be, do you think? Shall we have a look? 3 bears are in the bed. How many bears are on the floor? Well done, 7 on the floor. And how many altogether? Still 10. Can you write down 3 bears in the bed, 7 bears on the floor, 10 altogether? Good job. 3 plus 7 makes 10. Well done. How many bears are going to be in the bed now if one more falls out? Good job. Two bears are in the bed. How many bears are on the floor? There are 8 bears on the floor now, aren't there? And how many bears altogether? Well done. Still 10. Always 10. Can you write that one down? 2 bears are in the bed, 8 bears are on the floor, and 10 bears altogether. There it is. 2 bears in the bed plus 8 bears on the floor makes 10 bears altogether. And now, only 1 bear is in the bed. All the other bears are on the floor. How many bears are on the floor? 9 bears are on the floor. And how many bears altogether? Still 10. Can you write that one down? 1 bear is in the bed. 9 bears are on the floor. 10 bears altogether. Well done. 1 plus 9 makes 10. Really good work today, and well done if you've tried to write all of those calculations down. I'm very impressed. Now I'm going to give all of you the same challenge. You've got this sheet in your pack, and what I want you to do is I want you to count how many bears are in the bed, how many bears are on the floor, and how many bears are there all together? There are always 10, aren't there? And I want you to see if you can put the numbers in. If you're struggling with writing the numbers in, you can ask an adult to help you. But adults, remember to make them do it by themselves. They have to tell you what numbers are going in the boxes. Okay, have some fun with that, and I will see you tomorrow for some more maths.